This is the Ohm's law calculator for VIRP, which solves for unknown electrical values when you know any two parameters. The calculator has 4 input fields. First is voltage V, where you enter voltage in volts. Second is current I, where you enter current in amperes. Third is resistance R, where you enter resistance in ohms. Fourth is power P, where you enter power in watts. To use this calculator, you only need to fill in any 2 of these 4 fields, leaving the other 2 blank. Let's work through an example. If I enter 12 for voltage V and 2 for current I, then click Calculate, the calculator automatically determines the missing values. The resistance R field will show the calculated resistance value based on voltage divided by current. The power P field will display the calculated power value based on voltage times current. This calculator instantly applies Ohm's law and the power formula to solve for your unknown parameters. Whether you're designing circuits or troubleshooting electrical systems, this tool eliminates manual calculations and reduces errors. Find the link in the description below.